Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a sunburst chart in the Excel software. Okay, this is a data set for the sunburst chart in the Excel software. The data already entered in the Excel software worksheet. Now we take to the four different variables. The first one variable for the year. The three different year now data collected, the 2020 and 21 and 22, and the season for the three different season, the pre-monsoon, monsoon and post-monsoon. The third one variable for the feeding habit in the species, three type of feeding habits, the carnivorous, herbivorous and omnivorous. Then fourth one variable for the population count in the particular lake. Okay, now the particular lake collect the data in the 3 years. They continue the 3 years 2020, 21 and the 22, the three season for the year and the three different feeding habit for the year. Okay, now the created in the Sunburst chart in the Excel software. Before the select the whole the data, the four variable data selected, the year, season, feeding habit and the population count. Okay, select the data, go to the insert menu, selected for the Sunburst chart. Okay, the selected, the delete the title. Okay, the sunburst chart corner drag and drag to the increase the view. Okay, now the customized in the sunburst chart. First the added to the value in the fourth label for the fourth variable in the population count in the third circle. The first one circle mentioned to the 3 years and second one circle mentioned to the population count, and third circle mentioned to the first one circle for the year, second one circle for the season and third one circle mentioned to the uh, feeding habit, and the fourth added to the population count in the third circle. So select the data, choose the right click and go to the format menu. Okay, they select the data and go to the label options and add it to the value column. Click the checkbox. Okay, now the add to the fourth variable in the third circle. Okay, now the change to the font style in the Sunburst chart. Go to the home menu and choose the font for the Time Roman and font size for the 8. Okay, the separator for the change to the new space. Okay, now the change to the border color in the Sunburst chart. Okay, select the chart, go to the fill and fill lines and select to the border option, change to the border color for the white color. Okay, now the width increase to the 1.5. Okay, now the customized color in the Sunburst chart. Okay, the select the graph, go to the designing, change to the shortcut color options for the Sunburst chart. They use the designing and change to the color and the single color. Okay, if you separated customized edit in the color, select for the particular the 2021 column, go to the home menu and select for the particular color, fill the color options, choose a particular color. Okay, the next one 2020, selected the cell, go menu, the fill and color selected, and the third 2022. Okay, change it to the 2022 in the green color. Okay, change the different colors. If you want the particular the monsoon only the different color, select the particular monsoon season only, go to the home menu, change the same options. Okay, the monsoon only the change to the color, and choose the 2020 monsoon only, change to the color, and the 2022 only, change to the monsoon color. Okay, the monsoon only they mention to the different colors. Okay, I go to the back, use control reject key. Okay, this is creating method for the Sunburst chart in the Excel software. Okay, if you want the any doubt, leave me the comments in the comment box, I will help you. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to work out this file in the Sunburst chart, the file source file added to our the Telegram channel. If download our Telegram channel, the Sunburst chart file, the Telegram channel link mentioned to the description box. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like our channel videos, please click the subscription button and support me, join to the channel membership. Okay, thank you.